Gemini is stuck loading, not responding, or just refusing to work when you need it most. Yeah, that's frustrating, I know. Welcome to SaaSpace Pro. In this video, I'll show you exact fixes to get Google Gemini working smoothly again in just a few simple steps. For the first method, open your browser and head over to a new tab. From here, click on the three-dot icon at the top right corner. Scroll down and from here, click on Settings. From the left side panel, click on Privacy and Security. From the options, select Third-party cookies. Then, click on the option See all site data and permissions. From here, at the very top, you will see a filter sites on page. Here, type Google. Here, Google appears. Now, click the drop down to find the Gemini. You might think why we didn't search Gemini, because Gemini is a feature of Google itself, so it doesn't have an extra tab for it. It is inside google.com. So yeah, here is the gemini.google.com. From here, click on the trash icon and here you will see a caution will appear. Delete site data and permission for gemini.google.com. Click on delete. After deleting the whole thing, it will clear up all the cache files Gemini has cached and it might be causing the problems. So yeah, after clearing the cache files, I hope your problem will be solved. If the first method doesn't work, let's use Gemini in a browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge for as in my secondary browser. So from here I'll choose Google Gemini. And yeah, it's working really perfectly. Log in with your account and start using Gemini as usual. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you a lot. So don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to SaaSpace Pro for every day's new update. See you in another video. Bye.